Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Asena Nathaniel. I'm married and based in Turkey. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, please like and share the video. Today we are going to Büyükçekmece Beach. It's a beautiful beach in Istanbul, to be specific at Esenyurt, Turkey. Hobby just decided to take us to crown my birthday, which was actually on the 15th of August. And I think this beach is the best place for us to have fun. Let's explore together. Okay, we just got at the place now at the beach, and I think the place is really beautiful and I'm already enjoying it. We looked around and enjoyed the beautiful environment. It felt like a breath of fresh air, you know. Equally took pictures. What are birthdays without pictures? Decided to go closer to the sea to enjoy the beauty, the blue sea, the waves. Everything about it was just relaxing. It's been long I had this experience. Going back to the playground because my daughter isn't understanding anything. All she wants to do is play. Kids will definitely stay in your white. We got to the playground and she had the best time of her life. She played around. After that, we went straight to the main part of the day, which was eating. We checked a few restaurants and eventually stopped at this, and I hope their food tastes nice. After checking the menu, it's not that bad. And my ATM machine came in to foot all the bills. Oh my god. While Hobby went to check a few things, I waited patiently, and here comes the food. We decided to try completely new delicacies. We tried squid, octopus, fish pastry, shrimps in butter, grilled fish. My daughter, though, she didn't even eat it. We had to eat it. From there we left to another place. We had ice cream and my daughter was just enjoying herself. She took over the day. After that, we called it a day. We're heading back home to catch up with the traffic. Bye guys.